Today we're going to be discussing the measurement and data, and we'll be converting like measurement units within a given measurement system to solve multi-step real-world problems. We'll begin by discussing the two different systems of measurement. The first one is the customary system, and that'll be the one that we focus on this week. That's the system that we use in the United States for measurement. The metric system, which will begin next week, is used in the sciences and countries outside of the US. When we discuss length, we're discussing how long or wide something is. And the customary units of length are inches, feet, yards, and miles. The customary units of weight, or how heavy an object is, are ounces, pounds, and tons. The customary units of capacity, or the maximum amount a container can hold, are fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. We're going to be converting customary units this week. And to do that, we have to understand that we can use different units to measure the same length. For example, if you were measuring a piece of wood with a ruler from our classroom, you would say it's 12 inches long. But if you had a measuring tape, just like the one pictured here, you may say it's 1 foot long. And you're both correct. Those are equivalent measures. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. We can notice, though, that it takes more inches to measure a length than with feet. So if we were measuring multiple pieces of wood put together, we would probably use feet instead of inches because it would use less. These three charts in front of you have listed your length, weight, and capacity from left to right, from the smallest unit to the largest. So inches are the smallest unit of length that we speak about in the customary system. Feet, yards, and miles are the largest unit. So when we're discussing weight in the customary system, ounces are the smallest unit, whereas tons are the largest unit. For capacity, fluid ounces are the smallest unit, and gallons are the largest unit. The reason that's important is for us to convert units from inches to feet or feet to yards or yards to miles, we need to understand smaller units and larger units. And if you can read with me on the bottom, it says small to big, we're going to divide, and big to small, we're going to multiply. If we're starting with inches, those are small units, and we're going to yards, which is a bigger unit, we're going to have to divide. If we're going from gallons to quarts, we're going from big to small, so we'll multiply. You'll understand a little bit better as we go through some examples together. On this chart, these are something called conversion factors. We have a box for length. 12 inches is 1 foot, 3 feet is 1 yard, 1,760 yards is 1 mile, 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. For weight, we have 16 ounces equals 1 pound, 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. For capacity, we have 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup, 2 cups equals 1 pint, 2 pints equals 1 quart, and 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. These conversion factors will help us convert from one unit to another. You'll find 4 examples on the next few slides. I'm going to click through them quickly, and you can go through with your notebook and pencil on the Google slideshow, not the video that you're watching now. And I would love for you to work through the problems with me, please. If you have any questions, jot them down on the side of your notebook. And in our virtual classroom on Tuesday, please join me, ask any questions. We can go over these 4 problems. We can work on any additional problems and some extra practice just to review. So I'll just flip through these. The first problem is convert 30 feet to yards. Again, please make sure you watch the video on solving this problem. Number 2, convert 7 feet to inches. Number 3, convert 36 inches to pounds. Number 4, convert 6 pints to cups. So I would love for you to review those 4 problems with the videos and do the work in your notebook or on a piece of paper that we can discuss on Tuesday if you have any questions. Here are 2 exercises. These are all listed in your weekly assignments also. I would like you to work on IXL Skill Z5. I believe I said 80 SMART score 15 minutes. And then the second one is a worksheet that I put together. It's from one of our workbooks in school that we would use. So I just kind of copied the problems for you, put some X's over the ones I didn't want you to do. So you're only going to work on 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12 in your notebook. I will be posting the answers to those problems by Friday. This way you can review your work for the practice page. I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you very much for taking the time to go through the video. I assure you everything you need to be successful on this skill is in every part of those videos. Again, if you have any questions or any comments, anything you'd like to share with me, please email me at my school email address, dcafiro@garwoodschools.org, or open a Google Doc, share it with me, and we can chat that way. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you guys on Tuesday at our Zoom virtual classroom. Have a great day.